I'm wearing my funeral clothes. Black with a touch of red to remind us of the blood that is being shed. Today I have to vote in the general election, the federal election here in Canada. It is a day I absolutely dread because there's nobody good to vote for. I mean, on the one hand, you've got this black woman candidate. Do I want a woman to have a leadership role? Yeah, a black woman? Sure, why not? We haven't had one, so, let's even things out, right? On the other hand, she's a member of the Green Party, but she still eats animals. She still pays people to eat them. She doesn't come out of the closet as the vegan she was born, because, we're all born vegan. So why doesn't she just come out and say, I care about the environment, and I care about the animals, and I'm vegan. I would vote for her like that. Then you got all these other candidates. Of course, there's Trudeau, Justin Trudeau, who is already the leader now. And what has he done? He's posed in Canada Goose clothing. Yeah, wearing the fur that was ripped off of an animal. Am I going to go and vote for somebody like that? No. Then you got somebody else here who's trying to separate the country. For those of you who don't know, Quebec is a province in the country of Canada, and this party wants to just basically rip them out and just say, no, we don't want to be here anymore. We want everything to be French, and you're not allowed to make any English signs. And yeah, I don't want to vote for that guy. Then you got the other guy who wears a turban, freedom of expression and all that. But even that guy, he's the New Democratic Party, and even him, he tries to act all cool. He's on TikTok and doing all these things. He's singing and dancing and all this stuff. But he doesn't come out also as being vegan. So then we have the conservatives. The conservatives who, I never would have voted as conservative in the past. However, now we look at the conservatives and, sometimes they're actually somewhat sane. Except for the part where they want to continue to pay for these pipelines. They're not coming out against all of this stuff that's polluting our environment. So yeah, I'm wearing black today because it feels like a funeral that I have to go to. I gotta sit there and scratch my head and look at this ballot and just, stand there for like half an hour when they're going, excuse me, lady, are you finished? It's like, I don't know who to vote for. So I gotta make up my mind now. So if it's not too late, and you guys are watching this, write down in the comments below who you're voting for and why. Why are you voting for them? What are your priorities? Do you care about the environment? Is it just the economy that you care about? Just right now, your own life? What about the fact that we borrow this planet from the other generations? What about that? Do you care? Because I do. I don't want to leave it a giant mess for my granddaughter. So that's where I'm at. Anyway, let me know who you guys are voting for. And cheer me up if you can. Give me some good advice because I haven't gone yet. You still have a couple of hours to convince me. All right? Go!